mean, what to do in Tokyo on a Saturday? Yeah, noon, afternoon. Yes, you go to a convention where they sell ice cream. I mean, I just love it. I know, it's just vegetarian, but I love just ice cream, so I thought like this convention will be fun. And right now it's not that crowded, maybe you can see it. And yeah, let's check out what fancy ice cream they're having. And yeah, I have actually the best outfit for it because like here, as you can see it, maybe I wear a relaxo shirt, so, or Snorlax. Sorry, relaxo is a German word. So, a Snorlax shirt, and yeah, let's get some ice cream. So, Japan is hosting literally every year an ice cream festival which is called Aipaku. And this time it was in Shinjuku. And when I was seeing like the design of the whole festival, I felt like, it looks familiar. So I went through my phone library and found out, well, you've been to this festival 3 years ago. But 3 years ago, it was outside and it was during summer. But as soon as I saw it, I felt like, oh, you know what? I want to get some ice cream. So I just went. And when you enter the building, it's actually cool because you're basically looking down from above and you can see the whole festival area. It's not big, but it's still pretty cool. So I went down, entered, and you get like a cool wristband as your entrance ticket. And then the fun started. And there were so many stalls. And of course, I mean, I would maybe estimate around 15 stalls, maybe a little bit less, but every stall offered a variety of ice cream. So literally, even though I didn't have breakfast, it was impossible for me to try everything, unfortunately, because I love ice cream. This is literally, I just love it. I don't know. And of course, there are also some stalls where they offer some savory food, but I can actually not tell you what they sold because my eyes were all on the ice cream. And maybe you've heard about the Japanese idol group Ice Cream. They were super famous and popular in 2025, and they published a song where all of the characters, or the singers better said, sing about their favorite ice cream. And I just love this song. In my case, it would be probably like Nani ga suki? Matcha ice cream yumori anata. Yeah, sorry for that, but yeah, honestly, I thought this is a perfect song for this festival. And they had so many varieties of ice cream. I mean, I literally felt like I was in heaven. As I said, like I really love ice cream. Apparently, I was actually a little bit surprised that they didn't have any matcha ice cream. I was actually sad about that. But instead, they had this fancy Dubai chocolate pistachio ice cream. And I tried it. And honestly speaking, I never understood the hype about the Dubai chocolate because I felt like, yeah, edible, but not my favorite. But speaking of my favorite was definitely the Daifuku ice cream. So it's basically, Daifuku is a small thin layer of rice cake, I think. And inside there's a cream filling, and underneath there was ice cream. It was just very basic vanilla ice cream, and on top there was a strawberry. But I love Daifuku ice cream. I would have loved to try more, but my belly was like, no, girl, it's enough. But they had literally so many varieties, and one of my highlights was the bento box. It looked like a traditional Japanese bento, but there was fruit inside. The soft ice cream was, or should look like rice, I think. And then they had like pancakes, which are folded like a traditional egg. And it was just, it was so good. I mean, overall, I think this was a huge, like, win for the weekend. I mean, what else? Like, tell me what you want to do instead of going to an ice cream festival. I don't know anything better. Just kidding. Anyways, so have you ever been to an ice cream festival, or would you go? Or just comment your favorite flavor of ice cream in the comments, and see you next week.